Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today we're diving into some truly mind-blowing facts about our very own star, the Sun. You know, we often take the Sun for granted. It's just there, this blazing ball of gas in the sky, providing us light and warmth. But there's so much more to it than meets the eye. Get ready to be amazed as we explore 10 incredible facts about the Sun that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for this celestial powerhouse. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to the heart of our solar system. You might think that the surface of the Sun is the hottest part, right? Well, think again. It turns out that the Sun's outer atmosphere, known as the corona, can reach temperatures of up to 2 million degrees Fahrenheit. That's over 200 times hotter than the surface. It's like stepping away from a campfire and finding yourself getting blasted by a furnace. Scientists are still trying to figure out exactly how this is possible. It's one of the biggest mysteries of our star. Imagine the most deafening roar you've ever heard. Now multiply that by 1 billion, and you might start to get an idea of the sound the Sun makes. Of course, we can't actually hear it because sound can't travel through the vacuum of space. But NASA has used special instruments to capture the Sun's vibrations and convert them into sound waves. The result? An eerie, haunting symphony that gives us a glimpse into the raw power of our star. We've all grown up drawing the Sun as a big yellow ball in the sky, but it turns out, we've been misled. If you could travel into space and see the Sun with your own eyes, it would actually appear white. That's because it emits all the colors of the rainbow, which combine to create white light. It's our atmosphere that scatters some of those colors, particularly the shorter wavelengths like blue and violet, making the Sun appear yellow from our vantage point. Chapter 4. A star of titanic proportions. The Sun is absolutely massive, I mean seriously huge. You could fit over 1 million Earths inside the Sun with room to spare. To put that in perspective, if the Sun were a hollow ball, you could line up 109 Earths across its diameter. It's hard to wrap your head around something that big, but trust me, the Sun is a true heavyweight in the cosmic arena. Chapter 5. The Sun's inevitable expansion. Don't worry, this won't happen for billions of years, but eventually the Sun will run out of fuel. When that happens, it's going to start expanding outward, becoming what's known as a red giant. And when I say expanding, I mean really expanding. It's going to get so big that it will engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth. So enjoy our little blue planet while it lasts. Chapter 6. The Sun's dense core. A nuclear furnace. Deep within the heart of the Sun lies its core, a place of unimaginable density and pressure. The core is about 15 times denser than lead, and the temperature there can reach a staggering 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. It's in this extreme environment that nuclear fusion takes place, the process that powers the Sun and makes life on Earth possible. It's like a giant nuclear power plant, but on a scale that's almost beyond comprehension. You know how light seems to travel instantaneously? Well, that's not entirely true. When we talk about the speed of light, we're talking about how fast it travels through a vacuum, like space. But inside the Sun, it's a different story. It can take a single photon or particle of light thousands of years to travel from the Sun's core to its surface because it's constantly being absorbed and re-emitted by the dense plasma. It's like a cosmic obstacle course for light. Chapter 8. Sunquakes, seismic tremors of a star. Just like Earth experiences earthquakes, the Sun experiences sunquakes. These are massive seismic waves that ripple across the Sun's surface, releasing enormous amounts of energy. Some of the most powerful sunquakes can be equivalent to billions of hydrogen bombs exploding simultaneously. Thankfully, we're far enough away that we don't feel the effects, but they're a reminder of the immense forces at play within our star. Chapter 9. The Sun's midlife crisis. At about 4.6 billion years old, the Sun is considered a middle-aged star. It's about halfway through its main sequence lifespan, which is the longest and most stable period of a star's life. So even though it's going to eventually expand and engulf the inner planets, sorry, I had to remind you, we still have billions of years left to enjoy its warmth and light. Chapter 10. The Sun's gravitational dominance. The Sun is so massive that it accounts for a whopping 99.8% of the total mass in our solar system. That means that all the planets, asteroids, comets, and everything else combined make up a measly 0.2%. It's the Sun's immense gravity that holds all these objects in orbit and dictates the movements of everything in our cosmic neighborhood. It's the true king of the solar system. Outro, keep looking up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these fascinating facts about the Sun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic content. From its scorching hot atmosphere to its mind-boggling size, the Sun is a truly awe-inspiring celestial object that continues to amaze and intrigue us. It's a reminder that we are just a small part of a vast and mysterious universe that's full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So next time you step outside and feel the warmth of the Sun on your skin, take a moment to appreciate this incredible star that makes life on Earth possible. See you next time.